Hey my beautiful viewers, welcome to my channel. So my name is Denise, also known as Mommy D and Baby G. This is a mommy channel and I have a 1-year-old baby boy who is actually taking a nap right now. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I know I don't have a lot of subscribers yet, but I'm hoping I'm gonna get there really soon. Today I have brought to you guys a Stitch Fix video. So I have the box right here. Okay, so for those of you who do not know what Stitch Fix is a company that you go online and they will pick out some outfits for you based on like a stylist that they pick for you, but you have to go into their website and pretty much answer some questions and let them know your style. And after you do all the questionnaires and all that, they like put together some styles for you. They send it to your house, and then from there you get to choose what what you like, what you don't like. You just ship it back to them and you don't have to pay for it. But if you purchase everything because you like everything, they give you a, I believe, 20 or 25% discount. And if you like, say you only like one thing, well, you only pay for that one thing. So yeah, so let's get into this video. Here's our box. So I took the tape off, but I did not really like, I looked into it, but I did not like open it up, so I don't know exactly what's in here. So my reaction is what you guys are gonna see. All right, so this is what the box looks like on the inside. Everything is falling apart because my baby was like rolling it around. So this was in this envelope. All of this was in this envelope, but yeah. So that's what it looks like. And then you have the envelope to ship whatever you don't want back. And I guess this is like a welcome and all that. This is actually my first time doing Stitch Fix, so we're gonna see if I like it. I'll let you guys definitely know. Honest review. All right, so this is a welcome card and what you need to know about Stitch Fix. What I need to know about Stitch Fix. And then this is the pricing for me and everything that they have picked. And I think my stylist's name is Callie. Thank you, Callie. So apparently this is how to style everything up. Okay, so all right, so we have this right here. I think this is like jewelry or something. There's that. And it's not that, feels like there's not that much in here, so. And then we have that. So, okay. I'm gonna try to open it up nice and neat. That way it's not like all over the place. Let me take everything out. All right, so I'm kind of nervous because I'm like, oh, what if it's stuff that I don't like? I mean, I kind of wanted to love everything so that I can keep it all, but it's no big deal. If I don't like something, just send it back. That's the great part about Stitch Fix. All right, so we have, ooh, this cute blouse. It's really nice. Ooh. go. Just so you can see. So this is the first piece that we have. It's really nice and it feels super nice. It's a little bit sheer for my liking, but it's okay. I can wear like a tank top or something underneath. Yeah. All right, so the next piece we have is this burgundy shirt by AVLN Studio. If that's how you say it, I don't know. But this one seems like it's gonna be a little bit too big. I mean, I do like bigger shirts because like they're more comfortable, but I don't know about this one. Like, I have to see how it looks on me. I'll definitely show you guys how it also looks. So this one, I have to say this is super cute. Like, oh my gosh, I actually love this piece right here. It's super cute. It's off the shoulder. I love anything off the shoulder, and it's like fall color. I mean, the last t-shirt was pretty much fall color, but this one, oh my gosh, I think it's so cute. I feel like this one's gonna look super cute. So yeah, and then this one is by Lavapella. All right, so next we have a pair of jeans, black jeans. They're called Ariel skinny jeans. Okay guys, so we have right here, my little one is right behind. He just woke up from his nap. The skinny jeans, the Pistola skinny jeans. I mean, they look okay, but I don't know if I like them 100%, so I guess we'll see. It's in a cute little box that says Stitch Fix. So adorable. Oh. Nakamo Chicago brings a little bag. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh. So I think it's a necklace or some kind of bracelet, or it can be both, I believe. But look how cute this is. Oh my god. I love it. I think it's so cute. And then you can store it in that cute little bag. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay, so I like the pieces that I have in here, but honestly, to be honest with you guys, I thought I was gonna get like a cute pair of booties because now, you know, we're into fall right now. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get a cute scarf, some cute booties with maybe some cute ripped skinny jeans with like an orangey fall shirt color. I don't know. I just imagined something different, but what I have is pretty cute, you know. I wanted to try, the reason that I'm trying I'm sorry, I cannot talk today. That I'm trying Stitch Fix is because I wanted to like have like a different style. Like I want to wear different styles. I'm sick and tired of being in the circle of wearing the same thing all over and all over again, like all the time. So I wanted to show you guys the card of how you can style everything, and honestly I think it's pretty cute. This is the card that you can style everything. Like this right here, like cardigan, jeans, and a pair of booties is pretty much my style. The t-shirt itself, I didn't really like how it looked on me that much. I did like how the black blouse looked on me, so I'm thinking about keeping that one. And the bracelet that my baby has in his hand right now. So this is a bracelet. I have not tried to put it on, so we're gonna do it now. So the bracelet is a super cute bracelet. I just don't know, like honestly I don't know how to wear it, so I probably am gonna send it back just because like it would bother me. And then here's my baby letting you guys know that I don't think he likes it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up like I said in the beginning of the video, and subscribe to our channel. We're gonna have more content like this for you. Please let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in a future video, and have a wonderful and blessed day.